Student progress tracking is an important component of successful teaching and learning. Progress tracking helps students set and meet personal goals, raises student awareness of trends in their practice habits, allows students to adjust their habits when needed, and helps teachers evaluate their teaching effectiveness. Logging practice time keeps a record of student practice for later viewing by the student and the teacher. Practice logs can be viewed from the main navigation or from your dashboard by selecting the Time Logs icon. In the student view, a summary graph appears allowing the student to observe practice trends. Just below that is the detailed log. The teacher can view all students' practice logs and graphs with the ability to filter for all students in a class workbook, or for individual students. Practice logs can be exported.